If you keep wondering why people don't seem to see your value, I want you to stop asking that question for a second. Because you might be trying to change them when the first shift needs to happen somewhere else. See, if you've spent years needing reassurance, maybe over-explaining yourself, trying to be liked, or shrinking so others don't judge you, your brain has years of evidence of an identity that says, other people decide my worth. But what if confidence isn't something you need to just like poof, magically feel first? What if confidence is something you can actually teach your brain through evidence? Stay with me, because your brain is constantly learning from what you repeatedly do on a daily. So instead of asking, how do I become more confident? Honestly, ask yourself right now, what would the version of me who already knows their worth do differently right now? Not someday, your sexy self right now. And I want you to do one tiny thing today. Maybe that's you're gonna stop over-explaining. Maybe you're gonna hold eye contact a little longer. Maybe the next time you walk into the gym, you're gonna keep your shoulders back and your eyes up, your head up, instead of down looking at the floor on your phone. Because babe, the second you do that, just one little thing today, your mind now has evidence that the old identity isn't the only version available. And that is how we start changing identity. Because you can't change identity by screaming affirmations in the mirror at yourself that you don't totally believe. It starts by giving your brain evidence. And this is the fun part. As you start seeing yourself differently, you're going to naturally start carrying yourself differently. And people will respond to you differently because people feel what you feel. And suddenly you're going to feel like the whole world is just mirroring this new sexy self of you, this new CEO. And you didn't wait for the world to choose you. You chose yourself first.